What up, YouTube? This is your boy. Oh my God, Tansabon gosh. What up, YouTube? This is your boy Smazi. Today is on Shiley review your court. I was driving so that I can get a position to set up. She's already done eating.
No time to waste, my dog.
You guys, Umpumi, she's absolutely shocking. Embarrassing, guys. Embarrassing, shocking. My faith. Umpumi, she's getting to the nerve. The nerve. Not on my last nerve, nerve. The nerve.
I know.
Why you so, baby?
No time to waste. Yo.
Why you so?
Now we are talking, I'm eating.
Yo, guys.
I'll
Anyways, let me start doing the thing. We got this one. It's pash. Is it pash or ricotta? This is the best pasta I've ever eaten so far in Ermelo.
Oh, yeah.
So ngicabanga ukuthi maybe we should do like ama reviews on umuntu wenza ikota la Ermelo. We're gonna come and buy your kotas, guys. So please make sure that okay, this one is 25 rands, not that expensive, but wow, check this out. Book, irasheli, cheese, paloni, lettuce, my chips, isinkwa, and my sauce for only 25 rand. Angazi, must we plug lo muntu othengisa la makoti simfake la, but they didn't pay us for a promotion. So guys, just enjoy eating with us, ne? Like and subscribe. I mean, enjoy eating with me. She's already done this one. Book. Okay, guys. I think in jail you go to camera. You shile leyo. Ngakusinga yizo.
No.
Ngikusinge.
Yo. This is nice, yo.
Am I supposed to stay doing their thing? So basically, I'm always looking for a thing. Am I supposed to be doing their thing right now? Hope you guys can see. Done. I'm going to
And you're so
I feel like doing.
You're so long.
Who are my chips left? That means the quota has extra chips.
Yo. Yabona-ke mina ngithanda ukuthi umuntu adle mina sengicedile now.
You must watch.
And in the sun. Lapho ngilambile.
Oh.
Ngiyadla.
What you see? Wow. Shocking.
Shocking indeed.
Absolutely shocking.
Yo.
So bafethu, I've got some Umpumi in the chat.
Yeah. Hayi, enze njani ke bhuti?
Ngiyangibuka phela.
Wow, what a torture. What a torture.
Eshle Rachel imnandi ndileshisa.
Oh, hayi Hayibo. Wow.
Well done.
Ngicela umuntu azikota so kanti baso.
Unganongizile kapenzani. Hayi umuntu ngisagwevita ke manje. Abo bafethu. Must eat your money. Don't care ukuthi umfazi ini eat your money akubuke.
Kodwa insuku zokugcina.
Guys, if you can see.
Anyways, ngiku diet so like I'm not.
Diet yakhe she couldn't wait 5 minutes ukuthi ngiphakhe. You're like, hey, indaba zama content. Sebenza ngambile mina. Bengifuna ukumthusa nethi bengidrive ngibona ukuthi hey.
Hello baphoyinto nini ngisenphumule esikoleni?
Ngikhona. Angithuzo 20 abantu ababo manje. Ngikhulumisa abantwana ngobazi. Hayi.
Hawu Nkosi yami.
Ngena enkaleni.
Oh. Hayi le kota le ayikhona imnandi mfethu. Manje zamile 50 rand.
Hayi mara today I'm disappointed with the chips. Hayi. He's on it.
Nansiya. Uphisa kwazi.
Kwazi ngana ma chips
ngibona. Kwazi ngalo la. Ngibona. Kwazi ngibona.
Yabona into Rachel number 1 original. Hayi ngiyamvuma. Askatsing ne Kings.
Hayi Kingsley yana siyiphuza Kings.
Kepet boom senjani lamuntu.
Guys lapho like ngiku diet.
Bakubonile mosuyidle ekuqaleni mpo.
Yebo ngishona kona phela ukuthi like ngiku diet but le kota lena I can't get over it like yo I can't. Yabo nje makwa wa mention igama lale kota yo ngicuma ngihlala.
Athi ngithelele ni poison ngife.
Abifuna sithena nganye ba.
Namuhla. I'm right. I don't need any more.
Ayo shamu yathanda ungenza umuntu omubi. Odla kakhulu. Angisho namuhla.
I'm not right perfect.
Sosothi.
Pelilo.
Hayi wena. Sosothi. I would never do this because I'm ngiphinde ngikwenze lokho yo. Lokuthi like ngidle icala bese umuntu udla phambi kwami.
Ngiyayibona kodwa.
Yeah.
Athi ngiyibamba so ngithi. Ngiyakhala yo.
Oh, ngenza so wena.
Noma nje ifuna. Ukusuthi.
Udlela lapha phamba.
Bafethu niyibonile le kota bengakanani? So. Safuna mo.
Hamba njalo ngaphandle stand. Masolo ngithochara la emotweni.
Kat ngiyadlala. Hayi uyadlelana. Konke.
Hayibo. Baby na.
Bengiqala saphaka kuphi le phambili. Yo guys, if you made it this far to this video, just know the kota was very nice. It's very enjoyable. Show me what next. Do you want to see me eating in front of the camera?
You.
I'm gonna go and buy it.
Why you to you? Why you keep again? Ask guys.
ngifuna lose weight so babe angadli kakhulu
Ay.
I heard ukuvulile I saw chicken licking today la emelo cabanga
Hayibo sandala ikhona chicken licken.
hayi mina bengakasi ngiyibona
Namanga siya ikhona chicken licken ngase KFC. How?
chicken licking
Dali ikhona.
oh I mean hungry lion le Marino Mall
Sasayibona.
ngibonile mina
Ikhona? Uyibona nini?
namuhla ngithi ngikhaphela umntwana loyana kuthi eMarino Mall
Hayibo.
so maybe our next video will be that hungry lion so shay how many pieces lapha yani mbhale kuma comments what can we buy from hungry lion guys iyacala ukufika ngapha ngakithi so
Please guys, don't disappoint. Please
write something nice there.
Like nyabhalisisa, please.
and send e-wallets after you write nangu into sinibhalisise nyabhala
Don't disappoint. Ikhona baby.
Oh, yeah.
Ikhona baby uzothenga.
Uzothenga.
Ikhona baby.
ngicela uzothi niyabhalisisa bhale bo ice cream lapha ma 5 rand ice cream cone yeah
Ngicela. Bhadla. Yo guys impala.
ayahala le yam hayi method
Lahla phela plastic iphele.
angifuni ngizoyilahla isikhathi sami yo
Yo. Thank you my love.
Guys, shout out, subscribe, like, and comment. Uncle Stinkum. Oh,
Yangususela yini?
my chips, more. Yeah, no. Uyangicaka mina umuntu oba ku diet makudliwa izinto healthy as green. Hayi, angikudli mina lokho ngisuthi makufika amakoda hayi uyakudla. Wow.
Hayi phela amanye ama temptations you cannot avoid them.
Hayi mina hayi ngicakekile. What type of diet enjalo? Write down in the comment section. Danko is
Thank you.
bye bye. Vala.